Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to merge a list here in Constant Contact. All right, so first up, go ahead over to the left panel and click on Contact. And once done, go ahead over to List and Segments. Click on it. Now in here, you're going to want to choose the list you want to merge. All right, for example, these two right here, My Contacts and Facebook Ads Leads. All right, so once that's done, once you have selected the list or even segments, you can now go ahead and go to the top and click on Actions and click on Merge. Okay, click on it and there will be a prompt. It says here, add contacts from to list to where do you want to add them? Maybe you can go ahead and save it to My Contacts, Facebook Leads, or the other list from here. Okay. If you want to create a new list or segment, just go ahead over to the top right, and here we have the Create New button. All right. Maybe I'm just going to go ahead and select a new list, continue, and then the list name would be Top Leads, maybe. Hit on Save. And then again, go back to Actions. Right here under List and Segments, I'm going to select both again, Actions, Merge, and select the list that we just created right here at the very bottom. All right. Once done, hit on Add. And says here, successfully merged two lists into one other list. There you have it. As you can see, it now has two contacts in it. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.